How to build a crypto token with no coding on the Ethereum blockchain? Let's first head to the GraphLinq dashboard interface. There you will gain access to GraphLinq's dashboard, where you can connect your MetaMask wallet to the dashboard. Once the wallet is connected, GraphLinq's template wizard will appear. From the sidebar, go to Wallets and create a new managed wallet on GraphLinq. Ideally, you want to name this something relevant to your project. A pop-up with your wallet key will appear. Caution: be sure to save it someplace safe as it won't be available again. Once we have accomplished setting up our wallet, head back to home and name your graph in the template wizard. GraphLinq provides a wide array of templates to choose from, but for this tutorial, we will select Deploy ERC20 token on Ethereum network in the Templates menu. In this final step, you will need to select Next and fill in the required fields with token information and click on Deploy. Make sure your account contract owner address is the same as the address displayed in the top right corner of the interface. Following completion of the above steps, you will have launched an ERC20 token on Ethereum blockchain using GraphLinq's inbuilt interface, in just 3 simple easy steps without using any code or having a coding background. Congratulations on successfully creating your very own token or coin on the Ethereum network, in just 3 steps. In the next video, we'll talk about creating a BEP20 token. Thanks for watching.